Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Lazy Housewife. For those of you who are new, my name is Denae and I am going to be doing a what is in my hospital bag because currently I am 38 weeks and I am going to be induced in 6 days. So I'm being induced at 39 weeks and that is because of my gestational diabetes and the baby is on the larger side right now. I did talk a little bit more into detail on my last bump date and having gestational diabetes video. I am so late, you guys. I can't believe I'm packing my hospital bag like days before I'm about to have this baby. Like if I were to go into labor, like I would be completely screwed. So I'm going to be doing my hospital bag for me. Let me just throw this out there. If you guys are looking for a video that has like complete detail and you will have everything covered, this is not the video for you guys because I'm gonna be a mom of 4. This is gonna be my 4th labor, so I feel like I have a really good sense of what I need and what I don't need. I mean, I don't probably have a lot of things you guys haven't thought about yet because I'm sure a lot of you first-time moms are going to overpack. And to be honest, I get overwhelmed whenever I have like an overpacked bag when I go somewhere. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get into my video. To make things easy on yourself, I see a lot of people that have like one big bag with a bunch of stuff and I just can't do that. So what I like to do and what I recommend, and I don't see a lot of people do this, is to have your labor and delivery bag. So that's what this bag is gonna be for. This is gonna be like my oversized purse. So for this bag, I just wanted something easy because it is like a tote. I'm sure like a lot of people have seen a little Victoria's Secret tote like this. So this is just gonna be a tote and I love this because when you're in labor, you don't wanna be going through you don't want people going through your bag. You got underwear in here, you got pads, you got all kinds of stuff in here that you don't necessarily need until after the fact. So, and these are going to be basics and I'm going to show you right now and you'll kind of get why I feel like that's probably a better idea. So for your labor and delivery bag, what I keep in there is a lot of my basics. And you guys, I'm not going to go throwing all the stuff in here because it's not really a pack with me bag. It's going to be a what's going to be in my bag kind of video. So first things first, since I said this is going to be my purse, I am going to have my wallet, which is obvious because you're gonna need that, of course. Next, I'm gonna have hand sanitizer. I recommend getting the one that has a pump because and putting that right on top of there's like a little tray table that's by your bed when you go to deliver. Put that right there because when visitors come, you'll be surprised how many people touch the elevator buttons and doors and handles and then they want to go and touch your baby's face. So put the hand sanitizer there and bark at them to wash their hands. Next, I'm obviously going to have my phone and my charger. Also too, for entertainment, if you have a tablet of some sort, we have the, the Amazon Fire tablet or whatever it's called. We have one of these. I plan on binge watching a ton of shows because my labors are, my first one was like 3 days long and then my second and third were induced labors and they were each 18 hours long and then I believe 16 hours long. So I expect to be there for a while and I'm tired of the hospital TV, so I'm gonna be binge watching like Gilmore Girls or Vampire Diaries, something. I'm trying to get my husband to watch. I've been getting my husband to watch the originals, so I keep telling him I'm gonna make you watch those when I'm in labor. I'm also gonna have some wet wipes, just, you know, why not? Then I'm obviously gonna have makeup. So this is my little makeup bag that I plan on using. I should be able to fit most of my makeup in here besides a palette. Also gonna have makeup remover wipes. I expect that I will be crying and stuff, so at least I can have my makeup wipes there without having to actually go to the sink and wash my face, which I'll tell you about this later. Next, we got this little Amazon dot. I love this. This thing is so cute. I had this in mind that this would be perfect to hook up. I'm sure I can connect it to Wi-Fi, but we're gonna hook this up because I just want to have music playing. I just want to have like positive music playing. Probably pick up some last minute like gum and I'll have like some snacks in here for us while we're waiting, just like waters. I'll be able to throw this inside my labor and delivery bag. So this is seriously going to be like perfect. I'll be able to hold on to this so that my husband doesn't have to like carry a ton of bags. He's gonna have to carry his bag and then like my bag. And I actually did a poll on my Instagram to see, so I can't decide which bag I'm gonna pack my stuff in, which is either the Louis Vuitton bag that I have or my Nike bag that I have. So let's actually take a look and see who's winning. And by the way, if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, make sure you guys follow me. It is, I'll have the link down in the description, but it's Denaex. So I posted that. And then I said, now which one should I pack in my hospital bag? It's actually 50-50 right now. But it's currently 50-50. I still can't decide. As much as I want to be extra and like pack everything in this bag. Kind of leaning toward my Nike one. Just because, just thinking about having this bag in the hospital and stuff, I don't know. I don't know which one I want to pack yet. Another thing I wanted to mention about the labor and delivery bag is to bring like 2 extension cords, and thank me later because you're gonna need those extension cords, and I promise they will come in handy for your partner or for you while you're on the bed, because they don't reach half the time, and then half the time your phone may be on a charger. Before I get into clothes, I'll probably do like my clothes after I show you guys, because I'm trying to think like, okay, after you give birth, then it's like mommy care, and then you don't think about going home yet. As far as your personal hygiene items, find a little bag like this that you know you can pull out, and this has all of your toiletry stuff, and you can just kind of leave it there. So in the bag, I'm gonna have like just the basic stuff. Obviously I have a toothbrush and toothpaste at home, but just pick one of these up. It's just a toothbrush. It comes with a little cover thing, and then it has like a little toothpaste. This thing unzips so you can put it in here so you're not just leaving it on the sink. Put it back in this bag and just leave it right there. That way when you go home, you can just throw this away. That way you don't have to take your like personal toothbrush to the hospital and leave it sitting there and stuff, and then have to like bring it back home. I also had obviously the makeup wipes, so those are going to be in my other bag, but I'll just swap them on over. And then this, I'm going to be using my, I'm so sorry about the overexposure, but this is the pink grapefruit, and this takes off my makeup. I do not like using the like makeup remover wipes. Honestly, that's not how I like to take off my makeup. I literally will use this, and this will take off my makeup just fine. This is the only lotion that I can bring. The Equate brand from Walmart. And I just picked up one of these. This is going to be for my body wash, and then when I take a shower over there, then I can just use that. And then also too, if I run out, they always have body wash and shampoo and stuff. I don't expect to wash my hair there unless it gets like crazy or something, because the night before I give birth, I plan on washing my hair and straightening it the morning of. So that I'll have like fresh hair for delivery and stuff like that. Also too, I know a lot of times you can forget to bring your prenatal, but you do want to continue taking those after you give birth. So next are these bad boys. Basically they're just the nighttime ones. I'm not sure how it is with everyone's hospital, but they always give me, and I don't know why, but I see people packing like that dermaspray. I don't know if it's called dermaspray, but the spray that you're gonna have to use down there, and like the squirt bottle for the water. They've always given me that. They always provide that at the hospital for me, so I've never had to take the spray, the squirt bottle, or even pads. This is actually going to be the first time I think I've packed like 1 or 2 pads before, but usually I just kind of depend on them. My third delivery, that was my first time that I was with Kaiser, and I didn't care for their pads, so that's why I do plan on bringing a couple of these or a handful of these. And I'm gonna have a brush. I just have like a little brush like this. I'm gonna be bringing a couple of nursing pads. So before I get into clothes and outfits, this is another item that I highly recommend to get. I actually got a gift like this from one of my good friends from high school, and I remember putting that on, and that just helped my back support so much. It like, oh, I highly recommend this. Basically, it's like a stomach band. When the baby's out and you're walking around, oh my gosh, like guys, get this. If you're a first-time moms or you've never used this before, get it. I'm serious. So it's like this. It has different levels. Also, if you have like if you've had a C-section before, then supposedly it helps with that. I haven't had a C-section before, but I've always used like those. I plan on using the whole set, but there's like different levels you can use. It really helps like your uterus, because everything's just kind of like expanded, like your whatever's in that area is just kind of like everywhere, so it just kind of helps like tighten it back and everything. So next, as far as like underwear, stuff like that, but I'm gonna bring about 5 pairs of underwear. Also too, they give you, they're not even considered underwear, but it's like you're gonna want to use them, and I do use those that they give you, and it's like they're kind of like mesh booty shorts where you're gonna put those on, and because you're gonna feel like you can't walk afterward and it's gonna feel miserable, and so those underwear are just good to have. And then I have like 2 pair of sports bras like these. I usually don't like to wear like my good bras or anything because like with the leaking and milk, you can really ruin them, so I don't recommend like bringing a good bra. What I do recommend, and I don't usually like wear a bra or anything like that, are these. These are nursing tanks. The top part can just like unsnap. Both of them can unsnap. I like wearing these, and then it's like a bit flowy. It's not like completely tight. Just has this scrunchy part like under the boob, and then it's like a little bit of a flow. So these are what I like to wear versus having like a sports bra or anything like that. Like the sports bra I don't even think I'll wear, or my bra. So another thing that you're gonna need is a robe. So you're gonna just want like a simple comfy robe that you can use. This is really good because most of the time you're gonna be in a tank or like topless or like one of these, and you just don't want to feel as exposed, and you're gonna have people wanting to come and visit you. So this is why I feel like a robe is a really good thing to have. So I just have like a simple black robe. A lot of people will have like people visiting and stuff like that, so this is an easy thing to like not have to feel like you have to get dressed, because I'm not one to want to get dressed right away after giving birth. So this is like something I'll probably wear the first day. The second or third day you're already going home anyway, so like the first outfit that you really put on if you're going home or anything like that. So which is why I'm bringing only 2 outfits to the hospital, and if I need more, someone can just, you know, pick me up some clothes at my house or whatever. My going home outfit is gonna be one of these tanks. Most likely it'll probably be this shirt, just something really loose, just like a flowy shirt, so I don't feel like don't wear anything fitted because you're just gonna hate it. And then I just bought a new pair of like leggings. I'm just rolling up like this. This is gonna be my going home outfit. And to sleep in, I might sleep in this or one of my tanks, I'm not sure. In case it's cold, I have this half zip up fleece jacket, and this is flowy at the bottom too. So I got this one. I'm gonna be bringing like 3 pairs of socks, and then I'm also gonna be picking up some fluffy socks. And then I also forgot, I just picked up a little thing of deodorant, so I'll probably toss this also after I'm done. Now, as far as the baby goes, I don't bring a diaper bag. I really don't bring a diaper bag because I feel like it's really unnecessary to have your bag, your labor and delivery bag, your hospital bag, and makeup bag, like just all these different bags. So, and that also depends what your hospital is like, because we've maybe brought in like 2 diapers for 1 baby, 1 out of 3 babies. Every time we've gone, there's always like a drawer full of diapers while you're staying there, and if you need more, you ask for more, and then we always ask for more and then take them home with us. So that's why we never need diapers. I will take my own wipes because the wipes always suck, and I'm like very picky with the wipes that I like. I really like the Costco Kirkland wipes, so I'm gonna bring like a pack of those. And we never used our own diapers because while you're there, basically your insurance, I remember someone said it like this, and they're like, you're paying this insurance, you're paying for this hospital experience, so they should be covering like a lot of basic stuff, which is for your newborn, for you, stuff like that. So which is why it makes sense, like you know, like they provide you with pads and like underwear and like the stuff you're gonna need to make sure everything down there, like especially if you get stitches, that's all like cleaned out. So that is just the hospital that I am in California, so I don't know how it is like in other states, other countries. This is our going home outfit, just like a soft little blanket like this. We will also bring, I have some pacifiers over there, but we're gonna bring some pacifiers, and then I don't bring bottles. Also too, another little tip is if you want to take this, so say if I have this plus a pair of socks, take your going home outfit with socks, hat, mittens, whatever you're going to be using, and put it inside a Ziploc bag. That way, whenever you go inside your bag, you just get the little Ziploc, like the gallon size. You just take out that Ziploc bag and you have the entire outfit right there, so you're not scrounging around for a bunch of you know, little baby items that can easily get lost. Alright you guys, so I think that is it for my video. I'm honestly really sorry if you guys are one of those people that like to overpack rather than underpack, and if this like totally didn't work out for you guys, I'm really sorry. I just know a lot of the videos that I have watched, they overpacked, and I was like, there's no way I would have run all that stuff. So that's why I wanted to make it clear in the beginning of the video that I'm going to be packing like the minimal amount of stuff, and especially I know it's different obviously if you give birth in a hospital. It doesn't provide a lot of things and you got to buy those items. So you can always call your hospital or the labor and delivery and find out what is provided and not provided, stuff like that, just so you have a better idea. I'm sure they do that probably when you do like a tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video from a soon-to-be mommy of 4, and so I feel like I had a pretty good idea of what I need and what I don't need, and I don't want to overstress myself with too much stuff, too many bags, like kind of like bringing a pillow or a blanket. Like I don't think I've ever brought a blanket. I've thought about bringing a blanket this time because it's going to be cold there. So I may or may not do that, but honestly, I just didn't want to think about having to drag a blanket into the hospital. I have to bring it home and wash it. And then I know a lot of people bring pillows, and I just feel like I don't want my pillow that I sleep on my bed in the hospital and then bring it back to the house and have to put it back on my bed. So if you want to bring like a pillowcase, you know, I recommend doing that. But yeah, I really do hope this video was helpful for you mommies out there that are getting ready to prepare for labor. If you guys are watching this video, comment down below how far along you are, or if this video was helpful. I really do hope it was helpful for you guys. Just like I said, this is literally the stuff that I used, and I hated coming home and having to unpack a ton of stuff. I just wanted it like super minimal. Actually, I'm gonna do some tips before I close this out. If you guys are in labor, and if you guys are gonna have people come visit you while you're like after the baby comes to come see the baby, at a time when everyone kind of comes see you, because I promise you, you're gonna be tired. You're gonna get no sleep, because not even just because of the baby, but because the nurses are gonna be coming in like every 3 hours asking if you need medicine or if you need something. They're gonna be grabbing your wrist and like scanning your wristband and stuff, so you're gonna get no sleep at all. It's gonna be kind of miserable like while you're in the hospital. So the last thing you want is for like 5 different people texting you to come and see the baby at 5 different times. There's gonna be lactation nurses coming in, like doctors are gonna be coming in at 7 a.m., 6 a.m. to come check on you and see how the baby's doing whenever they could squeeze you in. And you're also going to be learning how to breastfeed, so there's a lot that's going to be going on. Like I said, if they are going to be visiting you in the hospital, make sure that you just set like a specific time when everybody can come visit and see the baby real fast, and then they kind of will all go. So like within an hour time frame, that way it's not like 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock, after work, and 6 o'clock, because you are on baby schedule. I promise it won't feel as stressful when people are trying to come visit you during that time. Alright you guys, so I think that's it for my video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that bell button so that you guys can get a notification whenever I post a new video, so you guys don't miss my birth vlog. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video.